Hello everyone. I wanted to show you a more interesting use of the MHK um, data acquisition board. So right now I have a couple RC circuits. I still have not made any changes to the code because I've been pretty busy with some other things. But right now I'm using 4 of the ADC channels, but 3 of which are actually being used right now. So I am going to sample all 6 ADCs, 2 of which are being pulled low with 100k resistors, and one of them going to a 3.3 volt reference. Even though that this ADC is running off a 5 volt reference, but it's just plugged into a 3 volt reference from a different Arduino, just for a sanity check. Now, I'm going to be using an RC circuit to figure out the timing, or not the timing, but to compare it. And each one has a orange resistor, so a 33k resistor, and then per set of capacitors, so all of them are all matched 220 microfarad 50 volt electrolytic capacitors, and they are charging with 1, 2, or 3 33 kilo ohm resistors. And we will be doing a 1-minute data acquisition. So I'm just going to, because I already ran this test, I'm going to re-short all of the capacitors just to make sure that they are discharged, and I will start the data acquisition now. So ignore column B and column F and G. All of the data is going to be coming from C, D, and E. So the first row is like disconnected, and then after that I started connecting the actual power supply, the 5 volt rail, to the beginning of the resistor chain. And I'm just going to let it run through maybe 45 or 60 cycles, or at least until one of them gets to the 1000 range. This one's starting to come up, but we shall see. So I'll just let this hit up to 60, and that'll be a full 60-second cycle. No, I don't think it'll ever really reach. Okay, I stopped it, but I don't think it'll ever reach 1024 or 1023. So since I did sample all 6 channels, we don't want all of them, so we can play with that in this chart. So we want to make a chart. Let's do an XY scatter with the lines. Since we took so many data points, it's pretty good. And as you can see, it starts at 60 and ends at 120. It's because I already ran a cycle and I haven't reset the clock, or I haven't reset the counter. So we're going to go to next. We can leave that next, and we don't want column B, so we'll remove column B, and we don't want F and G, and the rest I don't care. So as we can see, we have our 3 RC graphs, and they look pretty nice. So down here, see, they're not quite connected yet, but then once I actually connect it in the second thing, we can start seeing the different curves. And so this is the one with 3 33k resistors, so that's 369, 99 kilo ohms right here. This is 66 kilo ohms, and this is 33 kilo ohms. All of these are from the same 5 volt rail, and they are charging 220 microfarad 50 volt capacitors, all in parallel, but with the different resistors in series with them. So yeah, thanks for watching. This was just a little test to see the kind of stuff that this thing can do.